Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Tutorial. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 WordPress e-commerce themes for 2024. Whether you're starting an online store or looking to revamp your current site, these themes are designed to help you create a stunning and functional e-commerce website. Let's dive in. Let's get started with our list of top e-commerce themes. Each of these themes offers unique features and customization options to suit various needs and preferences. First up is Astra. Astra is known for its speed and flexibility. It's lightweight, which ensures fast loading times, crucial for any e-commerce site. Astra integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce, providing various layout options and customization settings. You can choose from a range of pre-built templates to kickstart your store, and the customization options are extensive, allowing you to tailor every aspect of your site. One of the standout features of the Astra theme is its extensive library of pre-made designs, also known as starter templates. These templates are professionally designed and can be imported with just a few clicks, giving you a fully functional website in minutes. Now, let's talk about Astra Pro's pricing packages. While the free version of Astra is incredibly powerful, Astra Pro unlocks a whole new level of features and customization options that can take your website to the next level. Astra Pro offers several pricing packages to fit different needs and budgets. One of the standout features of Astra is its pre-built starter sites for WooCommerce. These templates make it easy to get your store up and running quickly, with minimal setup required. Highly recommended. Next on our list is Ocean WP. Ocean WP is a versatile and highly customizable theme that works well with WooCommerce. It offers a range of e-commerce specific features, including customizable product pages and a built-in shopping cart. Ocean WP also supports various page builders, making it easy to design your store exactly how you want it. Let's talk about the pricing for Ocean WP, a popular and powerful WordPress theme known for its versatility and ease of use. Ocean WP offers both a free version and several premium plans that unlock additional features and customization options. With Ocean WP, you can easily create a professional-looking online store with features like Product Quick View. Highly recommended. Our third theme is Divi. Divi is renowned for its powerful drag-and-drop builder, which allows you to design your e-commerce site with ease. It's highly flexible and comes with a range of pre-designed layouts and modules. Divi's visual builder makes it straightforward to create unique product pages and customize your store's design. Additionally, Divi offers robust support for WooCommerce, including product filters, reviews, and advanced product page layouts. Let's dive into the pricing for Divi. Divi has two main pricing options, designed to give you flexibility based on your needs. 1. Yearly access. 2. Lifetime access. Divi's visual builder makes it straightforward to create unique product pages and customize your store's design. Coming in at number 4 is Bottega. Bottega is a modern and stylish theme designed specifically for e-commerce. It features a clean and minimalist design that's perfect for showcasing products. Bottega includes various customization options, including multiple header and footer layouts, and a range of pre-built demo sites. Bottega's easy-to-use customization options make it simple to create a beautiful online store. It also integrates smoothly with WooCommerce, offering features like Product Quick View and an advanced product search. Let's talk about the pricing for Bottega, a modern and stylish WordPress theme specifically designed for e-commerce websites. Bottega is perfect for online stores, offering a sleek design and powerful features to help you create a professional and user-friendly shopping experience. Bottega offers a range of pricing options to suit different needs, whether you're running a small online shop or managing a larger e-commerce site. Last but not least, we have Woostify. Woostify is designed with WooCommerce in mind, offering features specifically for e-commerce sites. It's lightweight and fast, with a focus on performance and user experience. Woostify includes features like built-in product widgets, customizable product grids, and advanced filtering options. Woostify offers several pricing plans to cater to different needs, from small shops to large-scale e-commerce businesses. That wraps up our list of the top 5 WordPress e-commerce themes for 2024. Each of these themes has its strengths, so the best choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching this video.